Jackie the Hot Tub Lady, and I'm so excited you're here today. And I have my good friend Jim Walz with me again today. And oh my gosh, how far back do you think we go?
A long decades. It really,
it truly is decades.
It's a good time.
And most of you don't know this, but Jim is responsible for me. If I wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for Jim Walz. I hate to make his ego any bigger than it is, but he definitely pulled me along and got me where I'm at and gave me some training to get me. I thank you.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
He's taught me a lot, and he's a great man, and I really have enjoyed my friendship with you. So, but before I get too much into this, you guys make sure you give me a thumbs up, hit the bell, and don't forget to hit subscribe. I do put out new content on every Wednesday, and today we're going to talk about this really cool product called Soft Skin Spa. Hang on, and we are going to figure out what this stuff does. So hey guys, welcome back, and tell me, what is this amazing blue box?
So Soft Skin Spa is specifically designed for your hot tub to have even better enjoyment, to make your life easier when you're dealing with your water.
You can make my hot tub better.
Yes, I definitely can. It makes a lot of things better. So the three main purposes of Soft Skin Spa is giving the feeling of softness, giving a layer of protection, and creating balance. So when you look at the softness aspect of it, it will actually make the water feel soft, your skin feel soft, hence the name Soft Skin Spa. And if for some reason your hair gets in the water, it'll actually make your hair feel soft. When it comes to protection, it'll actually protect your hot tub, the equipment, and your body from the harshness of everyday chemicals. And with balance, probably the single biggest thing people struggle with, it'll actually help create balance and lock in your total alkalinity and pH. Makes your life super easy.
I like easy.
Yeah, it's definitely easy. And it's only a once a week application.
Once a week.
Once a week. And all
right, so you're telling me that this box once a week is going to make my spa water feel softer, protect the equipment, and I don't have to worry about the pH and alkalinity anymore?
That's correct. Yeah. Now, obviously, because it is a product, it is consumable. So let's say that, let's say somebody, your little kid happened to pee in the hot tub.
That never happens.
Probably never happened. But if it did, it will lower the pH, and then Soft Skin Spa will actually bring it up. Now, if you have 10 kids get in there, it's probably not going to be able to take care of 10 kids. But for everyday use, normal use, it takes care of it perfectly. So
this box here is going to actually save me money.
It will save you money. It'll definitely save you time. And again, the dosing of it, of having it just simply once a week, that's all you have to do. And even the cap even helps you. So if you have 300 gallons, you add 3 caps. If you have 500 gallons, you're going to add 5 caps. It's super easy.
So you've really thought about me when you did this.
Yes.
You had me in mind when you designed this. Because,
for sure.
Because we've had those discussions.
Yeah.
I'm like, can't you just make it easy?
Yeah.
And he did make it easy. So this stuff here, tell me about this. So the thing that you've always told me is this is going to make the non-saltwater hot tubs, because I used to not sell saltwater hot tubs. It makes that water feel like salt water.
Yeah, so it is a little bit different of a feeling, but both are soft water. So this gives you the feeling of soft water, whereas salt water is soft water.
Right.
So it's giving you that feeling of it. The other thing that with the new Soft Skin Spa, we've actually added 3 new ingredients. We've added magnesium, which there are many different benefits to magnesium.
That's a big word.
It is.
I'm sorry, magnesium.
Magnesium. And so with magnesium, it'll actually help with sore muscles and help you sleep at night.
Really?
Yes.
So that's in here.
That's in Soft Skin Spa.
So those benefits you're already getting from the hot tub, now you're adding to the benefits.
You're even enhancing them.
Awesome.
This also now has silver in it. And many people have used silver in the past, and there are many different forms of how to do that. And I don't want to get too far into it, but a lot of people will use the silver sticks or mineral sticks.
Yep, but a lot of them.
Yeah, but what a lot of consumers don't know is they see some that they could go get for $15 and some that are $45. Well, you get what you pay for.
Right.
And a lot of those mineral sticks that are under $20 actually don't even have any silver in them.
Shocker.
Yeah.
I mean, I know what it goes into that.
Yeah, it's not going to do anything for you. Whereas this has silver nitrate, which is the most pure form of silver, the most effective in water. And again, it's all about making it easy.
It helps your sanitizer.
It definitely helps your sanitizer. It actually allows you to be in less chlorine or bromine, or maybe your salt system doesn't have to work so hard anymore. And then the third ingredient is a product that helps with it's food for algae. And some people, are very familiar with it. Some people are not very familiar with it. And
are you talking about
phosphates?
Phosphates, I figured you were.
Yeah, so with phosphates, that's the food for algae. And it literally is measured in parts per billion. This isn't a product that if you have high levels of phosphates, you're not going to turn around and this is going to go take care of it. You'd still want to use a phosphate remover, but once you get your phosphates under control, this is perfect for it.
This will actually help keep those phosphates under control. And I've had that conversation with many of you. That's probably one of the biggest topics we talk about is I can't get my phosphates under control. And there's some great products out there. There's phosphate removers, and use them, continue to use them. But you're telling me this is also kind of a buffer for that as well, just like it is for the alkalinity and your pH.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
And the reason why it's a once a week, the reason why it's helping you with phosphates, it really is about consistency. So you're adding this on a weekly basis. It helps keep your water very consistent. Now I want to be very clear on this. It's not a sanitizer. You still have to have a mainline sanitizer, whether that's chlorine or bromine or your salt system. So this isn't your sanitizer. This just helps your sanitizer work better.
So it's an additive that makes your water better.
Yeah.
On
Just want to be clear on that.
Okay.
I want people to completely understand.
One of the things you've said to me is that my salt cell will last longer if I'm using this product.
Yes. And the reason being is because with a salt cell, the biggest culprit is calcium buildup.
Correct.
And with that, the thing we talked about earlier, with it having that layer of protection of protecting your hot tub, the equipment, and your body from the harshness of chemicals, this will actually help or prevent calcium buildup at the same rate it normally would have. So it prevents that calcium buildup. It literally, for a lot of salt cells, it takes twice as long for that calcium to build up when you're using Soft Skin Spa. So it'll make your cell last longer and be more effective because now that can actually work the way it's designed to.
That makes huge sense, and that is something that a lot of you have asked me about. So this would be a way to get a better life out of that salt cell.
For sure.
And so if I'm using this, do I still need to use my scale inhibitors and that type of thing?
It depends on how far out. So if you're on well water and you have extreme metals and extreme scale, I would still suggest that you use a stand scale. Okay, but
so
for
in my own market,
90% of people don't have to use an additional stand scale.
So the people that have liquid limestone coming out of their faucets,
they're still going to have to.
We actually met in Nebraska, so we know.
Yeah.
we do know. We do know what hard water is, but once you get out of that, I mean, most people don't have that. But,
correct. Yeah.
But I'd say if you have a 300 part per million or higher on hardness.
Mine's even, so I'm on a well even right now, and I was slightly under 300. I did not add any stain and scale at all.
Really?
Or metal inhibitor, none of it. I add this once a week, and my salt system takes care of the rest.
And you don't have any green water, no brown tints, none of that stuff. And
not
I know what I'm talking about there. It's so. Well, okay, you talked me into it. I'm gonna put it in my hot tub, and I will give you guys a real honest review on this. But you guys, I've actually known Jim forever. I've known this product forever. Get it? It's awesome. It absolutely is fantastic. You definitely need to get it. But it will make the water feel better. It'll make you feel better, and it'll protect your hot tub. So it's huge. So anything else you want to add?
No, I think you did a good job. Thank you.
Did I?
Yeah,
okay.
you did.
let's give him a hand. Let's give him a hand. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, make sure you give me a thumbs up, ring the bell, don't forget to hit subscribe, and I will see you next week.